Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to talk about how you can make money from different websites just by listening songs. And we're also going to talk about that is it a legit or a possible way? So let's see. There are some websites, let me show it to you. So first is the Fusion Cash. Second, the research.fm. It is all about the reviews or you listen to the song and they will provide you the money. The third is the radiology.com, and there's the score hasn't written here, I don't know what. And it is also expected pay, that only their expectations that they will pay you about 50 cents per hour. So there's not too much. So the fourth website we're gonna talk about is hitpredictor.com. It is a review website of the songs. And the fifth one is the musicxray.com. And it is also a review website of songs. So the next question arises, that are these websites really do make money? And the answer is that yes, you can make a legit and possible money from here. Listen, there is a disclaimer that they won't pay you the higher amounts as expected or as they say that they would. Most of the videos I have seen on YouTube, they say that they got $10 per hour or $20 per hour, but it is not true. You hardly get 30 cents or a $1 per song, and that also depends upon what type of song or what type of website you're using. The second thing is they set a limit, that the minimum limit must be $10 to withdraw your money. And as you say, and as you can see, how that a single song will hardly give you around 15 or 10 cents or maybe 30 cents. So it is not a good way. Like, it is a legit and possible way that yes, you can make money from here, from these websites, but it is not that way that you can make higher amount of money here. So if you want me to do a live test of earning here, please do comment in the comment section, and yes, please do subscribe and like this channel for the most legit and possible ways of money. Thank you.